This podcast episode is brought to you by Ira's World. This podcast has been thought about for 3 years in my head. My most committed relationship has been to Fazam. Like ये ज़माना इतना महंगा क्यों है? A is very hard. Hi guys, my name is Aila Adnan. I am a content creator. I've been doing it for 5 years, and this is my first podcast episode. I want this episode to be titled The Space because this podcast has been thought about for 3 years in my head. I've been thinking about it called Bare Necessities, Be Bare, Tell Us Everything, Tell Me Everything. I'm going to beep out all these words because these are still probably words I may use to title this podcast because this podcast name is TBD, to be decided. Socha ke let's just get into bed, let's get comfy, let's talk and chat some shit. You guys need to know Fazam. Fazam's been in the picture since 2016. My most committed relationship has been to Fazam. I think इतने सालों aesthetics chase करते करते मैं अपनी consistency थोड़ी सी अपने काम में भूल गई. And that's on me. Like, people know me from skincare videos, wasn't consistent with that. Dance videos, wasn't consistent with that. Because I was trying to chase something that I feel like everyone chases. Perfection. This perfect curated feed, this perfect reel, the perfect transition. एक वीडियो में 6 दफ़ा कपड़े चेंज हो रहे हैं, 0.2 सेकंड में चेंज हो रहे हैं बिकॉज ऑडियंस रिटेंशन कम है. आई नो ये थोड़ा नीश होगा, लेकिन आई थिंक सब पे अप्लाई होता है. व्हाई आर वी ऑलवेज चेसिंग परफेक्शन? दैट मीन्स वी विल नेवर बी सैटिस्फाइड. एंड लाइफ में हैप्पीनेस भी होनी चाहिए. ट्रस्ट मी. लाइक हैप्पीनेस जब चली जाती है, everything feels so numb, and you can only be in a state of happiness and contentment when you let things be. Perfectionism, perfect anything, चाहे वो आपका काम हो, एक पेपर हो, एग्जाम हो, कुछ भी हो, don't be so hard on yourself because you will never allow yourself to rest. Being in this field, doing this content, wanting to do this podcast, I feel like 5 सालों में मेरी consistency नहीं रही. And this is not a rant, this is like a 1 second की बात and I'm moving on. And वो जब consistency नहीं रही, I kind of like lost purpose. And when you lose purpose, it's really hard to build back. तो जब consistency नहीं थी, I kept chasing like that polished and poised image, and I really stopped sharing my opinions. I wasn't posting a lot of speaking content because aesthetics sell, aesthetics matter. But value matters, conversation matters. And मैं ये सारी चीज़ें भूल गई. Like, मैंने जब content शुरू करा था, and I feel like peak COVID 2020 में just एक content शुरू करा. आप मुस्तफा बाबर को उठा लो. Momina was already doing content. She's a seasoned, beautiful creator. But you take anyone's 2020 and we were winging it because we were inspired by the West. We were putting our own twist on it. We were doing our own things. For me, मेरी काम की philosophy थी videos बनाना, scripts बनाना, videos edit करना, दिन रात. और जब पैसे obviously इन चीज़ों में involve होते हैं, जब वो passion काम बन जाता है, पता ही नहीं चलता. So this was my first intro to say I am sorry. I am sorry for maybe not exceeding your expectations. I'm sorry if you felt mediocrity for me. One thing I heard recently is कि मुझे hate करो, love करो, मुझे भूल मत जाओ. And एक ये vanity सी statement नहीं आती. It's just from a point that I have so much more to show you guys from an entertainment, a creative side. बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें जो दब गई हैं मेरी पर्सनालिटी में, और ये मैंने खुद गलती से दबाई नहीं दबाई. And again, inconsistency, trying to chase perfectionism. And the third thing that has really affected me in the last couple of years, why I've not been my 100%, is people's opinions, people's the traumas you've been caused by others holding you back. I have let my mind and I have let my emotions take over. दिन में आपके 1000 thoughts होते हैं, 40,000 thoughts होती हैं. Did you know that? And उसमें से अगर आपकी सबसे ज़्यादा वही थॉट्स हैं, काश ये क्यों नहीं होता, काश ये क्यों हुआ, काश इसने ये नहीं करा होता, ये नहीं करा होता, आप अपनी ज़िंदगी क्या अपने को खुद ही मार डालेंगे. Because when you start to like disassociate from problems and not solve them, they will creep up in the worst of ways. I don't know what we're going to title this episode. This podcast is TBD, and this episode title is What's on Ayla's Mind. Oh my god, this episode title is This Space. And What's on Ayla's Mind. This is like What's on Ayla's Mind. I don't know if I'm jumping from thought to thought. Let me know what type of a process you would like for me to do this in. Like, do you want me to talk about these random things? Do you want me to have my thoughts? Do you have questions? Let me know. This is your space. I want to talk to you. It may look like I'm looking at 3 weird eyes right now, but I promise I'm looking into your eyes, whoever's on that point of the screen, without this being creepy, okay? So yeah, shit people caused me held me back. Caused me massive amounts of depression. Like massive. Like I gained so much weight. That was also because I was working on my dissertation and things. I started to eat my feelings away. I was really hurting. And that happens when you're not a very trusting person. You trust a couple of people and they hurt you. So the reason this podcast has started is because I know I'm not alone when I feel these things. मुझे पता है मैं इस दुनिया में एक वाहिद इंसान नहीं हूँ जो फ्रेंडशिप बिट्रेयल फील करता है, जो एक अजीब सी आइडेंटिटी क्राइसिस फील करता है पोस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी, जो जिंदगी में अच्छे काम कर रहा है बट एक सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं मिल रही, और जो बंदा परफेक्शनिज्म चेस करता है. I want that person to be watching this video because I need to tell you, you can strive so hard for perfection, yet you will still find flaws in it. And that's just how we are as humans. We don't accept. So, yeah, it's time to accept. It's time to be. And it's time to really, really chat shit. I said this was going to be a small segment, lol. Okay. This podcast episode is brought to you by Ayla's World because we don't have sponsors for this podcast. This podcast is what I want it to be. It's just like me talking to you guys now. What is the cure of lockjaw? Sabse pehle, I need to solve this because it's very hard for me to talk, and when I start talking, it's like A, B, C, D, E, F, G. When I take breaks, it's really hard to take a break when I speak, and then it goes into like this. I like even numbers. I don't know. I just associate even numbers to be better years than odd numbers. It's really random. Like it has no facts. Like this is just the way I am. I love my birthdays and I love celebrating it. I haven't celebrated my birthday like properly, like done an event. Like I used to throw ragers, and if you guys watch like my previous YouTube videos, you'll see like I spend my first year way as partying. There's my birthday event in it. That's the ending of this episode. If you're still watching, thanks. I have ADHD. I don't know if you figured it out till now. Like, I'm really distracted. So, this is going to be a good way for me to retain my attention and thought process. And if there's anything you like from this video, let me know. And let me know what you want the next conversation to be. Bye.